Meaning of figurehead.
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 Figurehead. A figurehead is a person who holds a position of nominal leadership but has no real authority or power. They are typically appointed or elected to represent an organization or a government, but their role is mostly ceremonial. The term is often used to refer to individuals who serve as symbolic leaders in monarchies, political organizations, and corporations. Although they hold a high-profile position, figureheads have little influence over the actual decision-making process, and their actions are largely symbolic. In short, a figurehead is a leader in name only.